This is Darlene with realmeaning.info. You like my cyborg glasses? Woo! This is Darlene with realmeaning.info. Thank you so much for joining me. Before I start, please click the like button and also please subscribe to my channel because I make everything easy when it comes to technology. I break it down, okay? And that's my job to do that. Okay, first of all, I want to ask you guys something. Have you noticed, if you're using Windows 10, have you noticed that since April this year, after a certain update, you have not been able to use your printer? I know I haven't. It seems like everyone on this planet Earth, and maybe even the planet Krypton, has not been able to use their printer after the April update of this year. So what Windows 10 did was that they know they had to fix it. So they, just this month, I think it was last week, they created another update to fix that crazy update that messed up everyone's printers. So I'm going to tell people actually how to download that new update that will fix your printer, make you able to print again on your Windows 10 computer in just 7 easy steps. Okay. So, and I don't miss a step. I go 1, 2, 3. You guys always know how I do it. I always go step by step. So once again, the name of this video, actually, I didn't even say it to begin with. Sorry. How to fix your printer problems with the new Windows 10 update. And once again, I'm going to show you how to do it in 7 easy steps. So let's get started. Number 1, you're going to click the Windows button. And the Windows button is always at the lower left-hand corner of your computer, the Windows button. Number 2, when you click that, after that, you're going to click on the Settings button. It looks like a little wheel, the Settings button. Number 3, you're going to click on Update and Security. Yeah, Update and Security. Number 4, you're going to click on Windows Update. Windows Update. Number 4. Number 5, click on Check for Updates. Check for updates. And then the computer will start checking and things like that. And probably because this is a new update and Windows knows that everybody's computer needs it in order to print again. So it'll say this update is needed and it'll start downloading probably. That new update will start downloading immediately or automatically. So that's actually number 6. The new update will start downloading automatically. That's number 6. So actually number 6, you don't need to do anything. After you check for it, it'll start updating automatically your computer. So that's number 6. Now, after it's done updating, and it'll tell you it's done. Number 7, all you have to do is click on Restart Now. Once again, Restart Now. And that's it. That's it. 7 easy steps. Yep. 7 easy steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. I'm learning Espanol, so it's good, but I end up doing it. 7 easy steps. And you guys let me know if those worked for you. But that should do it. I think it's crazy because it's like for a couple of months, I was not able to use my printer. Or if I was, it would not print in color. That's crazy. So, but if my sister printed use my printer, it did print in color. It was like, why are you being crazy with me? I own you. It's like a bad child. I don't. Well, now the child is acting good again because of that new update. So you guys let me know what you think of this video, if you like the effects and things like that. And please let me know if this worked for you. All right, I'm Darlene. Thank you so much for joining me. Please give a shout out for my YouTube channel and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.